Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Okay, so I used my happy money this weekend to go stop by Ulta. I don't know, could I ever say this? Am I getting sick of buying makeup? I don't know. Are some of you going, what did she say? Okay, so I'm going to get my hair out of my eyes for those of you who it irritates when I'm putting my makeup on to have hairs. So first of all, how did everybody make it through the weekend? Y'all do good? Oh, man. Isn't it funny to think that you look forward to the weekend and then you got to make it through the weekend and oh my goodness. Oh, by the way, I haven't got a light on this side right now. I keep forgetting to tell my husband when it dropped the other day, I think it may have destroyed the light. How y'all doing? Oh, I could use this coffee and I'm pretending it's caffeinated. I'm slowly weaning myself off caffeinated coffee, which is really hard. I'm not totally caffeine free, but I'm trying to wean myself. Because I don't know, some caffeine's good, but not a lot. So, and I only, right now, for caffeine, I only do one small cup. I don't know, is that considered small or large? This isn't always full. It's full today because I accidentally put too much water in, but usually it's about to there, so it's not that much. And if I ever have a second cup, it's always decaf, because if I don't, I'll be like, ugh, and I get nauseated. Ugh. By the way, please, ladies, do not say I feel nauseous. That is so incorrect. It's I feel nauseated. Nauseated means I feel sickened. Nauseous means I'm sickening, meaning you're sickening to me. Or you are sickening to others. That's when you say I'm sickening, meaning I'm sickening to everybody. Like they're thinking in their mind, she makes me sick. That kind of sickening. But when you feel like sick at your stomach, it's a verb. So you're like, the other is an adjective. Sickened is nauseated, the EDs. Nauseated, sickened, ED. So when you feel nauseated, don't say I feel nauseous. It's like, you feel sickening? You think we think of you as a sickening person? Anyway, all right. Just please, get it right. So one of the things I bought, you can never go wrong. You know, there's some things that are tried and true, and this is number one in that category. I know you're thinking, including above your Chanel lipstick? No. These two are tried and true. This lipstick stays on, it's moisturized, it's high gloss, it's the color that goes with everything. It is Soft Rose from Chanel. It does cost more, but it lasts a long time. So there. I know some of you are thinking also, It Cosmetics No Tug Waterproof Eyeliner, and it is number one, but it's got a neck and neck one this morning, which I'll discuss with you in a minute. I know you're thinking, why? And you're also thinking for liner, THC Cosmetics, and the Liquid Eyeliner EX Perfect Pro Makeup is also a number one that's got a neck and neck. And I'll show you why. There's only one reason on that. I'll show you in a minute. But for getting your makeup off, there is no better. There is very low fiber that comes off in your lashes or can get in your eyes from the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. That even waterproof makeup mascara is on this packet. It seems like forever now, it's been in a special value twin pack. I think you save like 1 cent, but who cares? I just like to go ahead and get two at one time anyway. Never want to run out of them. Remember, I did try these. This is the It Bye Bye Makeup. The only thing is, too much fibers come off on my eyelashes when I'm trying to get my mascara off, and it is harder to get it off than with that. So I mainly use this to clean makeup off of my eyelash curler, or to just get base face makeup off, or clean up boo-boos. But to get my lashes off, whenever I rub the lashes, the little fibers come off and get in my eyes, and then I'm busy pulling them back out. That is not the case for the most part. I won't say never, but with these, almost never. So that makes a huge difference for me. Okay, so what's the thing? The other thing that I got was this what's it called? Tartist Double Take eyeliner. Y'all, I've got my, hold on. I don't want to turn that off. There. I had my video on again. That was me at the end of another video going, sometimes when I pull up the video so that I can read your comments and comment, it just sits there and plays, and after a while it's just good background. Like background music you're not really listening to, but you like it there. That's what I am to me. I can be that for you too. Feel free to just pull it up and let me talk in the background. But anyway, this is Double Take eyeliner, double effect, or that's the French. I hate when French is on English stuff, and I have nothing against the French, and I'm not racist or non-multicultural. It's just I will sit there and try to read it, and then all of a sudden it hits me, well, that's the same sentence in another language. But anyway, I am going to start getting to where I look at what is in makeup more, the ingredients, and that is because of this reaction that I have had to my nails, which is probably going to mean my nails will either have to come off. We'll see. I'm going to do one more. I know some of you are going, are you out of your mind? I think what did it was the nail glue, not the nail powder, but it could be. I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, I've got to talk to a dermatologist today and then also ask them, should I just go one more time and have them do the acetone and take the tips off, and then after that let them breathe, and then try just gel powder, no glue, no tips, just over my own nails. But to keep your own nails, that, you know, people say, well, try the hardener. So I tried this hardener, and this was the M Nail Magic hardener and conditioner. This, I'll have to look up what all is in this, but when I was looking online, it said even the hardeners are bad for your nails. As far as chemicals go, it's like, oh man, I like chemicals. Anyway, your body doesn't necessarily. Anyway, so sometimes they can just suddenly have a reaction, your body, all over, and then you're done. So, if you're wondering, by the way, these earrings are my Kendra Scott. And I noticed they have a necklace to match, but I don't need it. But I do like these earrings just because it's multi-stones. Kind of interesting. I kind of like it. I don't know. It's kind of long to be wearing to work, though. Kind of looks a little too sexy and party-ish, like I'm going to New Year's or something. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, back to this. What do I like about this? So I got another one of these. It is purely convenience. The one thing, it does go on and stay on all day. I do not like this. It is one of those felt tip pen liners, but it's right there. So sometimes when I'm in a hurry, it just beats everything out because it's easy. It's just, and convenience matters, y'all. But I really still, I don't know, it's almost neck and neck with this It Cosmetic No Tub, because it does stay, it goes on just as smooth, it stays on just as long. So I don't know. Y'all know this has been like my #1 fan. Now nothing beats this. This is not a felt tip. It is an actual brush that is very, very thin, and so it is very easy to put on. And so it definitely doesn't beat that one, but that's just why I've got that out, you know. It's got on the other end, whatever. So it doesn't beat this out. It just is more convenient. So it's like, how inconvenient is it for you to pick that up, Beth? But anyway, that's that. But anyway, that's still a thing. It is. Okay, so now what am I going to do? Another fast fave, y'all know, the Thrive Cosmetics liquid lash extensions. I'm going to be getting another one of these. I did order Chanel waterproof. I think it's called Volume something. It's not my usual waterproof, inimitable. So I said that so well this time. But anyway, we'll see how that does. But in the meantime, this is so easy to get on and off, and it does build well, and it stays pretty well. It's not waterproof, but it is super easy to get off because of that. And then also remember, I did this Thrive while I'm talking about Thrive. I need to do a nothing but Thrive one. I will do that because I found this palette, because I was thinking, I'm going to go get that palette. And all of a sudden I thought, I have that palette. Why am I not using this palette? It's like perfection. It's every color you need. It's mattes, it's shimmers, it's highlights, it's neutrals, it's black and brown. Brown for the brow, that for highlight. It's got a shimmer. Why would I not be using that like every day? I don't get myself. So anyway, I'll do a whole Thrive one. Also, I like them because of their giving policy. But anyway, so what did I get? I got this. It's with my happy money that my husband gave me for Mother's Day. Even though I did, if you didn't catch my Mother's Day message, I would ask you to go find it and listen to it. Because Mother's Day isn't happy for everyone. It is somewhat happy for me in that I have stepchildren that I think of as my own children, but then I am reminded that they have a mom, and I would never take away from their mom or from my grandkids their natural grandma, but I'm their granny. And so as far as parenting the girls and Michael, my son, and again, they have a mom. So it's just kind of hard for me to figure out where I fit in this world, and the fact that I never got to have children. So, so naturally, no, they're not my kids. As far as emotionally and spiritually, absolutely. Like, I would give my life for them. I raised them in the Lord. I parented them through good and bad times. I mean, so everything except blood, they're mine. So anyway, but also the bigger thing, honestly, that makes me sad at Mother's Day is I really, really miss my mom, and she's in heaven, and I'm happy for her, but I really, really miss her bad. So there's that. I just got some kind of ink that was on this and smeared it. So that was really pretty before I did that. All right, so anyway, Lance says, honey, I'm not ever sure what to do on Mother's Day because I know it's painful for you, but at the same time I want to celebrate you. And he said, so here's an Ulta card for $100. And I'm like, oh my goodness. And he said, I'd give it to you for no good reason. You know that. So we like to give presents for no good reason. I think that's better than having a reason, don't you? Like, just because. I like those kind of reasons. I think my kids always liked it. Why shouldn't they? Okay. All right. So all that being said, I just have totally messed up this top trying to get that black off. Now it's like a big smear. Can you see that? Okay, so now it's fixing to go to number 2. So we'll get into these two in the second one. But this is called